Dupatta for a husband. S is for dance night. Next dance means are you dressing? Dancing. S for dancing night. For which song? Standard song. Any movie song. S movie song for Manukavaliya song. Who I am waiting your dance. And it's time for our dance Manukavaliya song. Welcome to Standard Girls for Manukavaliya song.